everyone, welcome to Baby Wonderland. Today we are going to draw a very interesting and amazing friend that we see in daily life. And let us start with the beginning. And take up your pencil, eraser and grab all your painting things and coloring things and let us dive in. The materials that you need is paper, sketchbook, pencil, eraser, black pen, marker, and colored pencils, marker, paint are optional. Drawing steps may include 10 to 15 minutes and build a base which you are going to draw. It can be canvas or papers which you can draw as beautiful as possible. So let us start the basic shapes. Connect large oval for the head and smaller oval below it and slightly tilted for the body. Connect them with two curved lines for the neck and legs. Add two circles below the head for the ears. Pro tips. Imagine the amazing creature is in front of you. Keep the shapes loose and playful and soften the details. Your own adorable, amazing creature is in front of you. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself.
Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.